Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video because this is all about export rejects. So in Hyderabad I found a local store which has export rejects and they have them at very affordable prices starting from 200 and the highest that they go to is like 400 or 500 and they have all the sizes. That is the best part. If you remember my Nampally exhibition video, I came across these stalls where they had export rejects and I told you guys they have a store in Amirpet and I'll be going and exploring, and a lot of you guys have been waiting for this video. So here in their Amirpet store also they have a lot of really good options. So let me show you guys the store first and then I'll show you guys what I picked up both at the Amirpet one and the exhibition. So everything in this video is going to be under 500 rupees and let's begin. So this is the export surplus store and it is pretty much like Sarojini. You will find everything and anything here under 500 rupees. So all of these are like export rejects, so you will see a lot of western wear from different brands, like really bigger brands, and these are all like export rejects and export surplus probably. And also you will see some Indian wear. I've seen some kurtas from like Aurelia or like nice brands that you see at Max or Lifestyle. So you will see some kurtas as well, and they have a lot of sizes like XS, small, medium, large, and they go up to like 4XL, 5XL, 6XL also. These are all going to be mostly single pieces, so you may not find the exact same piece in different sizes. And also there is going to be a lot of digging because at the exhibition all of these like mostly they were on hangers, so you could easily like go through them and find your sizes. But here not everything is on display, they're set up in racks, so you will need to dig in a lot and take help from the store assistant. You'll find really good pieces, but it's going to take some patience. So I saw a lot of beautiful tops, dresses, kurtas, skirts, so many options here. So this is in Amirpet. It is a little ahead of Big Bazaar, so it's opposite VRK Silks. I think it's the same building as Rayalaseema Rushlu, so it's below that. So when you spot the store, you may not think that you will find really good pieces there, but just trust me and get in. And once you start digging, you will find treasure here. You will find some really amazing pieces. So that was my experience there, and that was the store tour and different options that are available. Now I will show you guys what I picked up. Let's begin with what I got from the Amirpet store. I'll take you guys through how I picked them out and how I selected the sizes and all that. And by the way, they have trial rooms, so that's pretty amazing as well. So if you're a student, then this is an amazing option because it's going to be really light on your pocket and it is pretty much like Sarojini or what we used to have at Shilparamam, those export reject stalls, and we don't have them anymore. So it's great for students or even office goers. So on a monthly basis or a quarterly basis, like you can go pick up like 5-6 pieces and basically it's a steal. So they have Google Pay and all the other options, and you can pay cash as well. So the only thing I would say, keep in mind that they may not be very helpful. You will have to like dig out a little bit and push them and tell them what kind of pieces you're looking for because not everything is on the display. So initially when I asked her if they have outfits in my size, she said they're not available in my size and they only have like up to medium large. And then I showed her a few pieces which were on the display and I said these have elastic, so maybe something like this. She tried showing me cotton kurtas which were like very basic. Then I showed her a few pieces and then pictures which I told her like I got these long gowns at their stall only in Nampally exhibition, and then she got what I'm trying to say, and then she started showing me all of these XXL, XXL sizes and really nice gowns, dresses and all that. Then she got what I'm saying. So initially it took a little bit of a push. She then was very helpful. So she showed me a lot of pieces because I wanted to shoot the video, also show you guys what they have. I did not feel the same about menswear. I could see that there was a lot of pieces for kids and men, but they were not really willing to take that time to show everything. So you'll have to patiently dig and find things. So this is the first piece and my favorite. This is so cute. So initially I thought I'll just show you guys this in the video because it has lace and floral print. I thought it was super cute, and this is from the brand called Frock and Frill. It says made in India and the size is not mentioned here, but basically it has elastic at the back. So I think like it would fit anyone from double XL to like I think 4XL or 5XL even. This is what it looks like. Here also it has a little bit of stretch and this tie-up knot, so basically it's quite a pretty top. Here it has this lace detailing, and I've checked a lot of pieces. I did not really see any damage, and this was the same even during the exhibition, Nambali exhibition also. Like I picked up a lot of pieces, and even for my sister, and there were party wears even at like 400 and there were no damage. But there's things like one button would fall off in some of them, or the sizes can be a little different. I think I'm going to style it with like white palazzos. Do find me on Instagram, because I'm going to show you guys how I style these. A lot of these would be on Instagram. Like I've already posted some reels wearing these too, so do find me on Instagram so that you can get quick tips like this. And also, whenever I see anything really interesting, I post on stories and Instagram reels. Next we have another treasure. This is so amazing. I actually thought this is from Shein when I got it in the store, then later I realized that it is a brand called Shein. Now I'm not sure. Here it says UK size 22 4XL is amazing quality, a better quality than what you see on Shein, and as you can see, super cute, such a beautiful yellow, and the fit and everything is like really cute. The only thing is that on the top it is really loose for me. I think these are one of the reasons why they fall in export rejects also, because there's absolutely no damage. The buttons, zip, everything is good, just that or maybe it's an off shoulder. Here it is super loose. When I wear it, like at the back I can see a whole lot of cloth just falling out. May need a lot of adjustment. At the flare and everything, it's really good. It has pockets and the fabric is so damn good. It's very soft. So yeah, this is my second amazing pick. So I think I forgot to mention, I picked these two from the 400 rupees pile. So they have piles. They have bins which have like shorts and skirts and everything, things which start at 200 rupees. These are probably smaller sizes. I've seen up to medium and large in these bins. And there were skirts which are like really flared and wavy. Like you will find probably 4XL, 5XL also in skirts. These were at 300, 350. And there were a lot of other sections which were in the shelves. These are at 400, so these are from those shelves. And like I was just picking out colors and I was asking her if they are available in bigger sizes, and I think they haven't arranged them size wise which they should. It'll be easier to pick out, but anyway, these are 400 each. So this is the skirt which I'm talking about. So the waist is actually pretty big, but I thought, you know, I'll alter it. So there were a lot of skirts with a big waist like this. I think the elastic is stretched out for this one a little bit, but can be easily altered. So this was at 300 or 350 rupees. And everything was really cute, and the material is so soft, and the flare is really nice. You can easily style it with like a white top or a black top, or even yellow, the same mustard color. I thought this was really cute. Really good fabric. So the good part about finding these export rejects or thrift shopping is that normally if you don't find your sizes easily, then these are great options. And also if you're looking for affordable, really budget friendly picks, then again export rejects are amazing. So a lot of online stores seem to have bigger sizes these days, but I think mostly they're priced around 800, 1000, 1500. Now if you're going to spend a party that amount on party wears, it's fine. For everyday use, I think if you can find some local picks like this, especially since we don't have Sarojini, I think this is a great store. You definitely have to check it out. So these are from the menswear section. You can even get them for yourself. So these were for 500 rupees, and they are from Beverly Hills Polo Club. So these sort of night pants from the men's section, there were a lot of them. The fabric is like really soft. It is super soft. I think it'll be great for winter. For summer it's a little too much, but it is super soft. So I thought, even though I thought 500 was a little too much for this, but because the quality is good, I just picked it up. And they had a lot of pieces like this in different colors, but specifically for girls I don't think I saw much. even for kids there's a lot of options. From the menswear section, these were what I could see and like I could pull out and see, but there were a lot of shirts, like formal shirts, t-shirts and all that, and I kept asking them to show me sizes, but they were not really, you know, showing that interest, and I had to like push a lot. So for menswear, I'm not really sure. I think you'll need a lot of help in, like, you know, getting them out and showing them, because everything is arranged in racks. This was it for the store. This is what I got, but they have a lot of beautiful options. I actually got few more daily wears. I think I'll do another video on Telugu channel, because I want to distribute my content in Telugu channel and here also, so that you can see a lot more, and you'll see a lot of fun reels also on Instagram, so stay tuned. And now I'll show you guys what I got from the same stall, export house itself, but from Nambali exhibition. Here also they had similar pieces, but because I already picked up a lot of them, it didn't make sense to get again. So let me show you guys those. I posted Instagram reels wearing some of these, like it was a try on haul on Insta reels. So I think a lot of you guys really liked this. This is my favorite too. So this is from the brand called Ikebana. I have purchased some dresses from Shilparamam stalls before, when they used to have these export reject stalls, and I have seen this brand before also. So it doesn't mention any size or anything. Oh yeah, it does mention the size. So anyway, this is a long maxi dress. The elastic is slightly stretched out, but that's alright. It's a little loose for me. I think I need slight alteration, but it's overall a great piece. And it has these straps, and I think the color makes it look so gorgeous. It is totally like a party wear dress now. I can like accessorize it and wear it for parties, or I can even wear it for like beach dinner or something like that. It's a super long maxi dress. Looks really pretty. So I have seen the exact same color even now in the store. That one, the fabric is, I think, a stretchable fabric, but they do have a lot of gowns, so do check it out if you're looking for something for your like freshers party, farewell party, or generally just for everyday use or casual. This is another crazy dress. I love this color. So this is also a super long maxi dress. It has a lot of flare, and here somewhere it is actually a little stretchable. I think the model is supposed to be like that, so it has that nice fall. And does it have pockets? Yes, it has pockets. I also thought it was really cute. Here the armholes are like super big for some reason. You'll see such things with a lot of export rejects, that they have like bigger armholes, or like some parts are like super loose or super tight compared to what the usual size chart is like. So those are some adjustments. So here it says 4XL, and the brand's name is Woman Within. Now I don't know about the brand, but I thought the color is super cute. Again, needs a little bit alteration, especially here in the armholes, but otherwise overall a really good fabric. Has lining. Really nice for like vacations, or like here also when you're going out for brunch this summer especially, or evening dinners. I think it's great. Very comfortable, and such a beautiful color. You can just accessorize a little bit. You can style it like in boho style. You can style it with classy accessories to make it look like a nice evening gown. Works great. This is another crazy amazing find. This also I got it from the exhibition grounds stall. But yeah, export house here in Amirpet also has really good pieces like this. I have seen a lot of maxi dresses. So this is from the brand called Jessica London. It does say made in India though. And this is a really nice shirt dress, a long maxi or midi dress actually. The quality, everything is amazing. Here you can see it has that netted fabric, and I have been looking to get some stitched for summer with this sort of fabric. I have even seen some of them in Charminar, but this one does need a little alteration. It's a little boxy, but overall it is great. It has lining all over, just an amazing piece. I have tried this on in my Instagram reels but I will try and put all the try-ons here. So this is one of those amazing pieces. So everything that I showed, even the ones which I picked up at exhibition and even the store, everything was at fixed price. So there is no scope for bargaining at all. All of these long maxi dresses, I think 400 is pretty good, because even when you bargain, I don't think that there's a lot of scope. so 400 is a pretty good price. But when it comes to smaller pieces, it can be a little annoying that all of these are at fixed prices. Although it is really cute, I think normally if you have bargaining, I think you can get it for 300, but since it's a fixed price, you have to pay what they've priced it at. And similarly, in the 400 rupees section, they had a lot of cute short tops which you can wear at home or like for night wear. But these were also priced at 400, which I did not think was good, like for everyday wear at home especially. These are like those soft fabrics, basics, so those sort of ones. I didn't feel that 400 was good for them. Like at Sarojini, forget Sarojini, even in Hyderabad, if we still had those export reject stalls at Shilparama, I bet we can get them at 250 rupees. So these are those kind of tops, very basic but soft and comfortable. So I do not feel like 400 is worth it for that. So that's one disadvantage, along with the thing that ends set up in rows, so that's difficult to find. But otherwise, I think it's a great shop to explore, so do check it out. If you are looking for export rejects, you will find your sizes, you'll find all the sizes. Just patiently have to dig a little bit. They also had curtains, bed sheets, these sort of things, and there were some dresses even in the display, and there's a lot of options even for kids and menswear as well. Kids I haven't really explored, but yeah, just make sure that you wash them and get them clean and they're good to go. But I think this is a great find. I hope you guys found this useful. Do let me know if you go shop there, and let me know how you found it, and make sure that you patiently ask the store assistant to help you out so that you can find nice outfits for yourself in different sizes. So that was today's video, you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to explore any other street markets or any other stores like this. And I have a lot more interesting things coming up for the summer. I have some Indian wear videos coming up and summer wedding videos also coming up. And do subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel as well, and also find me on Instagram for quick updates and like fashion reels and mini hauls and all that. And I will see you guys in the next video. All of the details will be in the description box, the Google Maps link, name and everything. So that is it for today's video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.